Okay, this is a simple mathematical card trick, but don't let that fool you. This one carries quite a punch, and it is certainly one to include in your repertoire of mathematical card effects. It really is mind-blowing. So I have a full deck of cards here. The jokers have been taken out, so it's just 52 cards. And we can give it a little cut if you like so that no one knows what card's on top, let's say. And so what we're going to do is we're going to allow you to choose any card in the deck here. Of course, the cards are face down. Now, you're not here, so I'll have to play your part. So maybe you choose, let's say, that one right there. Okay, that's the card you chose. Now, what I'm going to do is just very, very quickly scan through the cards and figure out, okay, what card is yours? I know what it is already. It's the Queen of Spades. Okay, well, that might be that might be chance, right? Might be luck that I did that. Okay, so let's just cut it again so we're at a new starting place. Let's have you point to, or choose any card here. You want this one? Okay, let me just set it aside there, and let's see if I can figure out really quickly what that card must be. Well, I know what it is. It's the Four of Spades now. Four of Spades, very good. Okay, let's put it back there and give it a little mix. We could have you cut the cards if you would like, if you were here. Why don't we go ahead and have you point to, let's say, 2 consecutive cards. Okay, so maybe you want these 2 right there. Those 2 right there, that's just fine. So let's see what cards those might be. Well, I think they're the 5 of clubs and the 8 of spades. That's what I think they are. 5 of clubs and 8 of spades. I was right. Should we try 3? Should we try to find 3 cards? Whoa, that's going to be tough. So I'll just kind of deal those, fan those out. So maybe you want, let's say, these 3 right there. Sorry, dropping things everywhere. Fix that. So let's just see if we can find those pretty quickly here. Well, I think this time your cards are the Ace of Diamonds, 9 of Diamonds, and 7 of Diamonds. How in the world did you do that? Ace of Diamonds, 9, and 7 of Diamonds. Should we push our luck and do 4? Ooh, that's going to be hard, I think. So let's just fan these out. You want 4 of them? 4 is so. Which ones? These 4 right here, are you sure? Okay, you're happy with those? Okay, let's see how we do. See if we can get all 4 of these crazy cards here. I think it's the Queen of Diamonds, 5 of Spades, 8 of Clubs, and 10 of Clubs. That's what I think they are. Queen of Diamonds, 5 of Spades, 8 of Clubs, and 10 of Clubs. We nailed it. Okay, well, I think you get the idea that this is an amazing effect, and it makes you look like an absolute genius, okay? Just a real wizard, actually. Okay, so how does this work? How does this work? Well, it uses something called a